Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a discount for a specific child on the child level. To do this, you can search for a child in the universal search bar and click on their discount tab. You're then going to click here to add a new discount. Select the child's enrollment. Select the start and the end date that you wish for the discount to be applied for. And you can select the discount type. In specific scenarios that you can waive the gap fee under the CCS legislation, you would need to select the percentage of the booking gap fee. Now, the percentage is the percentage that will be discounted from the Guardian's gap fee. So, for example, if I enter in 100% and the Guardian's gap fee is $50, it's going to waive the full gap fee. If I only enter in 50%, it's only going to waive 50% of that gap fee, leaving an outstanding amount of $10 of that $20. Select the discount category. Now you can use the system type standard, or if you do have the super user access, you can create your new discount category. This helps for reporting purposes when you're running your discount report. Select the days. Now this is the days that the discount will be applied for within that date range. And select the room. If the child's in more than one room, you may want it only to be discounted on one room, for an example. And click Save. If you're creating the discount for dates that have already been submitted to CCS, you would also need to tick the Submit Varied Session Reports. The other two discount types are your daily discount for your session fee and your weekly. So the difference between those two is the daily will discount off the specific days selected. Weekly will discount the entire week. So for example, if the child does come 5 days a week and you are giving them a 50% discount because they're on holidays from the Wednesday to the Friday, for example, the discount will still apply for the entire week. And the other value you need to look at is whether you want to give a dollar value. So it might be a $10 discount, for example, or again, the percentage of the session fee. Keep in mind that the discount will be off the session fee, which means then the Guardian's CCS value will be less naturally because the session fee is discounted. For further information on how to apply discounts to a child, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.